Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix the volume button not working in Samsung Galaxy A16. If you're using A16 and you're facing the issue that your volume buttons are not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to go to settings, go to software update and try to check for update. Sometimes it might be that there is any software glitch. So that's why your volume button are not working. After checking for updates, you can try to make a restart with your phone. Just click on restart. Click on it again to make a restart with your phone. After restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, so you can try to check your hardware buttons here. You have to make sure that your buttons are not damaged and they're working correctly. Or you can also go to hardware management or a manager to check your hardware buttons from here. But if your buttons are not working, but you still want to adjust the volume, so you can go to sound and vibrations here, and from here you can adjust your volume. Here the system sounds. You can adjust your system sound from here. You can go to notifications. Here you can select your notifications. Or if you want to manage your all over volume, so go to sound and vibrations, go to volume, and from here you can manage your ringtone, media, notification system, AI assistant, or alarm volume from here. Or if you still need help, so you have a simple settings using which you can easily manage or you can easily customize your volume anywhere. You can go to settings, go to accessibility, go to interaction and dexterity, and here you will see the assistant menu. Enable this. Once you have enabled, now whenever you try to tap on it, you might see the volume button here. You can customize the media volume or your ringtone volume from here. You can also set your phone on vibrate or mute. So in this way, you can easily fix or you can easily adjust the volume if your volume button is not working and your Samsung Galaxy A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.